Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem when working with AppScript. Imagine you have a large array of values that you need to split evenly into subarrays, each ideally containing 15 values. However, there are constraints. Subarrays can have less than 10 values or more than 20. Quite a puzzle, huh? Now let's talk about the solution to this problem. There's a nifty piece of code that helps address a specific issue. When the sublists exceed the maximum allowed size, we increment the number of sublists, recalculate variables, and ensure the splitting stays within the defined constraints. This adjustment plays a crucial role in managing the array division effectively. Moving on with the solution, there's another snippet of code that helps in calculating the optimal sublist sizes. By making a smart comparison between the average overage shortcoming in sublist sizes, we can determine whether adjusting the number of sublists is necessary. This fine-tuning ensures a more efficient distribution of values, aligning closely with the desired sublist lengths. Continuing with our exploration of the solution, we come across an enhanced approach to determining the number and size of subarrays. By considering the remainder of the total number of values, we can intelligently adjust the number of sublists to achieve a more balanced and optimized distribution. This refined calculation method leads to more precise and effective array splitting. In summary, we've delved into a problem many developers face when dealing with large arrays and the insightful solution provided to tackle it efficiently. Remember, coding is all about problem solving and optimizing processes. Hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Keep coding and keep smiling.